Sometimes you might have multiple documents in Word that you're working between, and whilst you might be using two screens, it can still be really useful if you're viewing two documents side by side. Perhaps there's a piece of text you want to copy and paste from one or the other, or maybe you need to compare the two. So let's have a look at how we do this. Now, I've got this document open, but I also have another document open. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to view them side by side. So if I go to the View tab, and over here I have an option, View Side by Side. Now, you may get a dialog box that comes up asking which file you want to compare if you've got more than, say, two Word documents open. This is what it looks like. You can change the sizing, but what it's done is put them half on the screen each. Now I'm just going to click in the left one here, and some of the things that you can see, because I was on the View tab here, are these two options that I want to show you, or the three actually. This one here, View Side by Side, so if I click on that, it's going to switch that off, and I can easily switch it back on again. This one here is synchronous scrolling. So what that means, when that option's selected, as I scroll, both of them scroll together for me. And this one here resets the window position, so just in case they're not sharing the screen equally. So if you end up with this being part of the screen and this one being a larger part, this will allow you to adjust the screens. You've got an option here to switch between the windows. However, I'm just going to click between them. Let's just say I have this paragraph here of text I want to bring over. I can simply copy that, click over here, and paste it. Now, whilst you can do that with the two documents on separate screens, it's a little easier to navigate and to visually read when you're looking at things side by side. I'm just going to delete that came over with it. You may need to make some minor editing if, for example, the font size or the typeface is different. You may need to make some adjustments as you go along. When you're ready to stop viewing them side by side, you can do one of two things. You can either switch off the view side by side, or simply just maximize the one that you now want to take up the entire window with. So that's viewing documents side by side in Microsoft Word.